Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. You might be wondering, is that your hair? Yes, it is not my hair, but don't tell anyone because it's giving that's her hair. Yeah. Stick around because I'm gonna show you guys how to take this wig from this to this. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Beauty Forever Hair. I love working with them because they have some beautiful wigs like this one, guys. I'm going to show you guys a different look. So this is the first look, and I'm going to show you guys the second look. Today what I have installed is the 6x4x5 Glueless Kinky Curly Wig. This is 24 inches. I did cut her down.
I was just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder.
Okay, so you can definitely wear her glueless, as you can see, fresh out of the box. Still gonna be very much beginner friendly, guys. But we're just gonna add some extra security because we are gonna probably cut into this wig. We'll see what we're gonna do. I don't know yet. I'm gonna pull these hairs out. It's just very straight here, and I don't have a hairline like that. Detailing the wig to look natural for our head shape, our face shape, because these wigs, they don't come catered to your specific needs. That's what we're doing. Next, I'm gonna go in with some powder. You put the melt spray first and let it dry a bit, and then put the powder. It just seals everything in and it looks so good. I'm gonna pull that very snug, and I'm actually going to tie a knot. So I want some layers, so I'm gonna add some layers here. I'm just gonna take it while it's still dry. It's easier to cut it like this because it's in its longer length. The more you pull, the more tension you're gonna have, and then it's going to spring back up. You have to leave room for the fact that it is going to shrink up again. And then I'm gonna cut this piece a little shorter. Okay, make sure you get the back. And I'm gonna go down this way, sliding. Grab your first piece here so you know where to start. Okay, make your start point. And then you grab, same thing, slide down. Okay, we're back. We're ready to get sprayed down, okay? We're ready to spray her down. I have some conditioner water in this spray bottle. Okay, so for my styling, I'm not gonna go in with mousse. I'm gonna go in with Eco Style Gel. It works really well on these types of wigs. I'm gonna go in with the product. All right. Take it in sections now. Okay, and you take a few sections and you curl away from your hair. I'm twisting away. And that's like the front of the face and like the top portions. You're just taking it and twirling it around your fingers, but away from your hair. All right, so you don't have to do it for every single section, but you just pick a few sections throughout the wig that you are going to do it for. This is going to give you the perfect wet look. Okay, that side is done. See, that didn't take so long. Now I'm gonna do this side and then come back. So before we continue, I'm going to just define the part a little bit more.
Before it starts, I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I'll start feeling cold. Get caught up with some
Cute. Now, you can get this look too with a little bit of work at home.
down.
Right? You just gotta cut it down to the length that you want. Some face framing pieces. Once you're done, then you can go in like I'm going in and removing any of the other pieces that are too long. Like these pieces here are too long.
My body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder.
Surprisingly, like the curls do not feel, like it doesn't feel crunchy, even though it's such a kinky texture. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. It looks so good. Is she giving more than she was giving earlier? Let me know.
Who cares like I do? In the past, worry about the present. How do I make it last?
So my final thoughts on this wig is it's very cute. It's very different than what I'm typically used to when it comes to like this kinky texture. I think it's such a pretty kinky texture and it's not really drying. Like you're used to that dry crunchy feeling. This wig still feels really soft. Maybe it's because of what I put in it. I put the conditioner, water, and I also use gel, but it looks really good, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you might try at home? If so, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Hopefully it was easy enough to follow along. I gotta go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and like it and share if you found it helpful. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.